Another beautiful day. Unfortunately, I'm working indoors in a loft and it's baking hot. Anyway, this 80/20 wall mix carpet, as you can see, is pretty soiled in places. The traffic areas here are very matted. It's had a lot of use. We can see where the bedside cabinets have been, and we can see where the bed obviously has been, and where the previous owners of this house for years and years and years have been obviously walking on the carpet. We've just applied a product that has absolutely no soaps, no detergents, no enzymes, no solvents or perfumes. It's plant-based, and what we're going to do now, we're going to work that product in with our rotary machine, and that product is going to very quickly start separating the dirt, hair, oils or whatever from the fibres, and then all we're going to do then is rinse with just fresh hot water. We're at the extraction stage now, and all we're using is hot water, so no detergent at all or anything in the tank, and these are the results we're getting. That's a million times better than what it was. This job has taken 2 hours to complete. As you can see, we've extracted the carpet. The carpet's been dry buffed and it's been groomed as well to just to pick up any loose fibres. The carpet is well used, and you can still see that there are areas of the carpet that are matted. But we've released the soil. Unfortunately, what we can't do is we can't make an old, well-used carpet look brand new again because of the wear. So there you go. But not a bad job considering we haven't used any toxic chemicals or any chemicals that may contain toxins. Everything we've used today has been bio-friendly and completely safe around people and pets. It's a viable alternative to regular carpet cleaning products, and ProSteamUK understand that some customers do require an alternative to using regular products. That might be because of allergies or whatnot. So anyway, there you go folks, thanks for watching.